Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this installation is forbidden done by system policy. Contact your system administrator on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. Under computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates. Expand the Windows compounds. And you just need to find a Windows installer. Just click on it. On right side you just need to find prohibit non-administrator from applying vendor signed in updates. Doubling on it, set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.